Morena koutou, Rātu, Waiata singing with Matua Michael. Today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. And instead of just singing a song, I'm going to teach you a song. So we'll start off with our hello song, and then we'll get into learning a song called Good Choices, which is a TOA song that I wrote for our kura. So here we go. This is the hello song. Feel free to join in. H-E-L-L-O, hello and away we go. H-E-L-L-O, hello and away we go. Kia ora to you, talofa to me, malo elele to everyone we see. Kia ora to you, bula to me, it's time to sing along with glee. H-E-L-L-O, hello and away we go. H-E-L-L-O, hello, aloha, pakalofa Mahi Atu, and away we go. Okay, I'm just going to alter the curtain behind me because it's looking like the light's a bit bright. So I'll just adjust that. And hopefully that will help our video production a little bit. Okay, that's quite good. Right, so the song we're going to learn today is called Good Choices. And I wrote this because it reflects one of our TOA matrix focuses, which is making good choices. So it's a very simple song in that there's a lot of repetition in the lyrics, and there's a great chance for you to just shout out good choices and have a good time singing the song. So I'll sing the whole thing through, and then we'll learn it section by section. Woke up this morning and I decided to get out of bed. A good choice. I woke up this morning and I decided to get dressed. A good choice. I woke up this morning and I decided to have something to eat. A good choice. I woke up this morning and I decided to brush my teeth. Every day we gotta make good choices. Every day we gotta hear positive voices. Every day we gotta chase bad choices away. We gotta chase them away. We gotta chase them away. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, wait, hey, hey. Oh, wait. I went to Kura this morning and I decided to say hello. Kia ora. I went to Kura this morning and I gave my friend a go. Mahi Atu. I went to Kura this morning and I tried my very best. Kia toa. I went to Kura this morning and I nailed my maths test. Kia ako. Every day we gotta make good choices. Every day we gotta hear positive voices. Every day we gotta chase the bad choices away. We gotta chase them away. We gotta chase them away. Hey, hey. Away, hey, hey. Away, hey, hey. Away. I went out at playtime and I decided to play a new game. A good choice. I went out at playtime and I showed my friend an aeroplane. A good choice. I went out at playtime and I helped clean up the place. a good choice. I went out and played time and I supported the running race. Go, you good think you're gonna win the race. Oh, Mickey. Every day we've gotta make good choices. Every day we've gotta hear positive voices. Every day we've gotta chase the bad choices away. We've gotta chase them away. We gotta chase them away. Hey, hey. Enjoy me. Hey, hey, hey. Everybody away. Hey, hey. Away. And that's the end of the Good Choices song. Hope you enjoyed that. So let's just break it down into the section. The chorus is really easy. So every day we've got to make good choices. Every day we've got to hear positive voices. Every day we've got to chase the bad choices. And then you have a lot of fun with the, oh, wait, hey, hey. Shout it out. Oh, wait, hey, hey. Enjoy that. And the verses are very simple. They've got a simple sort of formula to them. So the first one is, I woke up this morning. 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 And each line has its own sentiment. So get out of bed, get dressed, have something to eat, brush your teeth. That's what you do in the morning, right? That's the routine. And then the second verse, you go to Kura. So you go to school and you say hello. You give a friend a go. You try your best and you nail the maths test. So basically we're using a greeting and we help our friend out, MAHI ATU, and then we're kia toa and then kia ako. And the last verse is all about playtime. So going out to playtime, finding a new game, showing a friend something interesting, which is the aeroplane, helping clean up the environment, doing the right thing with the environment. So that's a good choice. And then the last line is all about supporting someone in a running race. And then you can just do some improv with that one. Have fun improvising, saying something like, "Oh, you're awesome! Go, Miss Martha, you can win." Okay. So and then the chorus is the last chorus. So I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Right. So sing that, sing it loud, sing it proud, own it, and then you'll have a lot of fun. So here we go with the goodbye song for today. Oh, I forgot to mention, underneath in the comment section, you'll see the lyrics for Good Choices. So you can rewind and sing it through and have the lyrics help you out. All right? It's time for us to say goodbye until we meet again. It's time for us to say goodbye. Ka kite ano, my friend. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E, that is what we say. Ka kite ano e hoa, I'll be on my way. It's time for us to say goodbye until we meet again. It's time for us to say goodbye. Ka kite ano, my friend. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E, that is what we say. Ka kite ano e hoa, I'll be on my way. Ka kite ano e hoa.